Right, let's do some on the roof driving. Rightio, you join me again today. Today's adventure, bit of a different one. Just going to go pick up Liam and then my mate Josh, and we're going to go have a look at Donerail Park. Now, I haven't been to Donerail Park in a long time. They had a cyclone go through there and it bulldozed the bridge and everything, so just going to go see what it looks like now, and then might walk over to a waterfall and see what's about along the way. So yep, we'll go pick them up and see how we go from there. Also picked up another passenger we've got to drop off, old Minnie.
You're demoted to the back seat.
And here we have it. We just picked up the J Wood.
What good timing is that?
Perfect timing. Let's chuck that up if you want. Thought I'd return the favour and take J Wood first today. So there he is. Just made it to one of Donerail's smaller waterfalls, so we're just gonna have a look around. I think Josh might put his drone up, so we'll see. It's a good sandwich spot anyway. Right, gate is open. So what does that mean? It means I'm going through it. There's a little side quest today. We're going to go to a little waterfall just before Donerail Park itself. We have to go the reverse way into Donerail because the bridge on the other side is actually broken. I think they're putting in a Bailey bridge or something like that, so we're just going to go have a bit of a nosy down this track to the waterfall. Looks like the path is taking a bit of a hammering, so we're just sort of going to have to make our own one through it over tree branches and everything, so I can hear the waterfall. Just making our way down to the final bit. Waterfall. Got a waterfall way down there, and then really calm still. So many little jacuzzis. Just gonna get to the top of the waterfall. Sun's out, perfect. Blowing a bit today. In summer, you can actually jump off there in summer, or jump off this ledge. It is flowing quite a bit today though, as he pushed out, but usually when it's a lot calmer, you can jump off there. Different drone for Josh today, so he's just getting all set up. And he'll be off. That's pretty cool. There's like a little waterfall coming out underneath that big ledge. Oh shit. And then this pool is very, very deep. And I think Josh just hit the tree sadly. Park. It's the rural traffic jam. Or the escapees. I guess we're taking them to donerail Park because they're not pulling over. There we go. No, because their gate's shut. Well, I guess we're not going to go to donerail Park today because if you can read that, the road is closed, which is a shame. Oh well, we'll go have a look at Taringa then. They got a new bridge. I'm wondering if they don't really feed their horses too much around here, because look at the size of this one. That is one. Hello. Guess he didn't want to say hello. Righto, we've just made it to Taringa and we're just at their new bridge they've just opened. It's fancy. Lucky I own quite a skinny vehicle because I fitted through the canes. Got us a park at Taringa Falls. There's their new bridge with the hot mix. Pretty cool looking bridge. And also, if you are driving back Gisborne way, there's so many potholes there that we fell into it. Enough of them, so just be wary in a car. You're probably going to dent your sumps, crack your rims, but I think they are trying to fix the road, so just be wary because we bounced all over the show and we're on the other side of the road a lot of the times too, so yeah, never good. Here's a good look at the new bridge. Looking pretty smick. Right, we're at the top of Taringa Falls now. You can swim down further, you just got to go through the bush. Look, I even found my bridge. The CRV is so luxury. Our man's out.